Alright, y'all, so we are like finally here. I am pulling up to the spot now. Yo, and there's Zander. So we are doing this incredible shoot today at her little lake house. I'm hella excited. Zander!
What are you doing here?
You know we got this shoot today.
Right? I'm excited to see you.
Look at her in her jammies.
I know. It's been years, like what?
Like,
And
look
now
at
I show
you,
up
so
in
pretty.
pajamas. Don't look at me.
So this lake house is like super cool.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love it.
So this it was actually my family's lake house, and it stayed in the family for years. And let's see, it's a log cabin and it has a wraparound porch. Would you like to see?
Yeah.
I'll show you. Be careful here. Some of those boards are old. So yeah, we have a couple porches. There's a dock down there. There's a floating dock. It goes all the way around here, all the way behind. You can see the beautiful moss everywhere. My grandparents' initials in the tree.
Oh, that's cute.
It is cute. It is cute. They stay there forever.
So this was your grandparents' spot, right?
Yeah, I grew up here. My brother and I had every summer here, and we were lucky enough to play in these woods all our life. And now I get to shoot here when I feel like it. So it's actually pretty cool.
That's so cool.
Would you like to see the inside?
Yes.
Okay, come on. Come with me. Follow me. So this is the kitchen and the dining room. Let's see, the living room. We've got a good old Crocodile Hunter, may he rest in peace, on VHS.
This chick said VHS.
I'm talking about an old school VHS Polaroid. Have you ever seen that?
Oh man.
Probably not in a while.
This place is so retro. I love it.
It is. It's old school, and we haven't changed a thing. Not one thing. We do have a garden tub, huge garden tub. This is the biggest bathroom we have, so if you wanted to shoot in there, we can. Like a milk bath or something.
Ooh.
I know, right?
Sexy.
Okay, so this is my mess. Excuse my mess. This is the bedroom, one of the two. And then a tiny bathroom. I'll let you go in there if you want. But yeah, this is the lake house. So this is my oasis. This is the only place I really feel some peace in the world, because I can just drive down here and I don't feel like I'm here. I feel like I'm just out in the woods somewhere, and solitude is sacred, is it not? Yeah, for real. So this is my place.
I
And
love
good morning. In my pajamas. I look better than this, I promise.
it. You're still cute.
Thanks.
Got your whole booty out and stuff.
Outfit number 2. Yes, so this is my grandfather's army jacket, and it has real patches on it. So he served in the armed forces, and I think this is definitely a bomber jacket, like I said. And I'm trying to be a pilot, so how perfect is that?
It's like super perfect.
I know, right? So yeah.
Only
this
thing is
the
I
front.
probably would have did red underwear instead of white.
Maybe you can dye them. I don't know. Maybe you can color them in.
I can. I could throw them in the Photoshop. It's not a problem. Simple
Okay.
sauce for me.
Okay. Because, I mean, hey,
I mean, if I could do a full face of makeup in Photoshop, I could dye some underwear.
this is true. I know. I'm going to have lashes after this, people.
Lashes, and I'm gonna do your eyebrows.
Okay, yeah, okay. Clean me up.
I got you, G. This is gonna be awesome. I love this jacket though.
Thank you. I do too. It actually feels great. I kind of want to take it home, but I'm not gonna, because I shouldn't.
What are you talking about? You are home.
All right.
You are home. You used to play here all the time anyway.
Yeah, I know. So I'll play in the jacket.
There you go. It's practically yours.
East side. Okay, I had to.
Here is gonna be our scenery. See, she's already ready to go. We'll have all trees behind her. These blue rocking chairs out here in the benches. It's gonna be hot. Let's get this rolling.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content. I know it seems small, but every bit actually does help and shows creators like myself that you actually appreciate our content and the time we put into our channels. Also, check out this video right here to the left to see what's new. Hope to see you in the next video. Cheers!